The Presidential Emergency Operations Center, aka the PEOC, gets a golden renovation. The primary presidential bomb shelter under the White House is called the Presidential Emergency Operations Center, aka the PEOC. Located in the East Wing, it was built during the Franklin D. Roosevelt administration to serve as a command center during emergencies, including nuclear attacks. Now, during the government shutdown of 2025, while the Republicans control the presidency, the Senate, and the House of Representatives, and the same month SNAP, Section 8, and other social services are being cut, the presidential bomb shelter is getting a golden renovation. As the east of the White House is being destroyed to make room for a ballroom that is bigger than the White House itself, the PEOC is getting a golden renovation. It's the deep underground command and control site, a facility that is located several thousand feet underground between the White House and the Pentagon, designed to survive a ground burst of a 20-megaton bomb and sustain the president and key detail and cabinet members under critical or DEFCON 1 situations. The PEOC is a secure command and control center designed to protect the president and other senior officials during a catastrophe. It was constructed during World War II, with the East Wing being enlarged to conceal its construction. Excuse me? Hint. Did I just say enlarged to conceal its construction? It is equipped with communications facilities, a large table for meetings, and can be sealed to be airtight. The PEOC was activated during the September 11, 2001, make of it what you will, destruction of the World Trade Center and faux aerial attack. The present-day PEOC space has modern communications equipment, including televisions and phones to coordinate with outside government entities. During a breach of White House security, including violations of the Washington, D.C. Air Defense Identification Zone, P-56 airspace, the president and other protectees are relocated to the executive briefing room next to the PEOC. Day to day, the PEOC is staffed around the clock by joint service military officers and non-commissioned officers. Upgrades. At this time in American history, tell us what you think. They are buying posh jets, upgrading Air Force One, and adding a ballroom to the East Wing and destroying the East Wing in the process. The golden upgrades, the teardown of the East Wing, and the addition of the golden ballroom may be a cover for deeper activity under the East Wing. America, you decide. Like, comment, and follow. Subscribe for more key points with Trust, Raw, Facts.